Dito na kami sa Dunkin sa loob. And let's see. Nag-convert na naman siya.
Yeah.
How much is your coffee?
My macchiato was $2.90. $2.91.
And that's a large one,
That was
right?
a large.
Yeah, they have some Korean.
Oh, that's nice.
The Korean, Go! We're gonna pay now. Magbayad na tayo. No. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is our day 2 here in the Philippines. Say good morning! Ellie, good morning! Can you say hi? Oh, galing ah. Today guys, pupunta kami sa Dunkin and gusto ni Travis matry mag-breakfast doon. Kasi malapit lang dito sa sa tinutuluyan namin, no. Bibili kami ng coffee. Although pwede naman kami mag-coffee dito. Kasi meron kaming 3-in-1 na kape na binili kahapon sa 7-Eleven. Pero, hindi pa ako nakapag-grocery. Yung mama ko na yung mag-grocery. Siya na lang yung pinabili ko, guys. Tapos, kasi yung mama ko kasi palagi umaalis din yun para mamili. Ganon, kasi meron siyang mini store din. Tapos, yun, kahapon bumili lang kami ng mga ilang pakete ng ng kape. So, nagtimpla kami kahapon. And gusto rin kasi i-try ni Travis yung alam mo na mga iba-ibang mga dito sa amin. Parang gusto niya matry. So, yun kasi hindi naman din kami palagi nandito, no. So, why not? While nandito kami, try namin, 'di ba? Oh. Naglalaroan niya yung na Wilkins. Bali, bumili nga pala kami guys ng Wilkins na tubig kasi we're not sure kung yung anak ko tapos si Travis sa tubig dito, no, kasi syempre iba sa kanila. And sabi nila kasi hindi daw sila yung mga ibang mga nagta-travel, yung iba hindi hiyang nagkakasakit. So kailangan bumili ng purified na tubig talaga para just to make sure may iba pa nga kahit may purified nagkakasakit pa rin eh. Yes. Pero yun, so far okay naman sila sa Wilkins na water dito. Pati si Ellie, yun yung ginagamit niyang tubig ngayon dito. Okay naman. And normal pa rin yung pupo niya, 'di ba? Lagi pa rin siya nagpupupo. Tapos nagdadala lang din yung mama ko dito, guys, ng pagkain namin and pagkain ni Ellie. Siya yung nagluluto ng pagkain ni Ellie, nakakain ni Ellie. More on vegetable, tapos puro mga prutas dinadala niya dito. Kasi yun yung madalas din namin pinapakain kay Ellie. So, hindi na namin pinapakain yung mga snack niya na pinakain namin sa aeroplano. Kasi pang aeroplano lang talaga, pang snack lang talaga yun, guys. So, yun. Pupunta kami ngayon, guys. And samahan nyo kaming pumunta ng Dunkin. Papunta na kami doon. Ellie! Ellie! Eliana. Ellie. Look at that. Look at the cutie pie. Ha? Punta na kami ng Dunkin, guys. Aray,
We went through like
Ellie. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Dito na kami sa Dunkin sa loob. And let's see. They have
And a bunch of stuff.
I think they have the Bavarian.
Should we just get like the...
Oh, the bundle?
Yeah,
We can.
that's what I would do. Because if you could get like 8,
Right.
and then we can bring some back. Or if you want to get 12, we can bring some back.
Yeah, that's fine too.
Do like that.
And then they have coffee too. Ang ganda ng ng store. Bago kasi ito, di ba, me? Matagal na ba to? Anong gusto mo? Yung bundle na lang, Ben. The bundle.
Yeah.
And then coffee.
Yeah.
Gusto mo magkape? Me? Ha?
What do you want?
Just the bundle and then
Well, you gotta tell them what you're
glaze.
gonna want.
The glazed donut. Oh. Let's see. They have Donkiaro.
Yeah, it's macchiato.
Is that the same like macchiato po?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, they don't have hot.
No, but they have like
Yeah, cause
cappuccino.
okay, cappuccino. I can probably do cappuccino.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, and then we can do the bundles. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. We're here sa loob. May nagbigay ng flyer sa kanya kanina. Sa amin. Tapos ito yung order namin. Bundle 12 siya, guys. Bundle 12 ba? Hindi, famous 12 tawag. Tapos may iba-iba siyang mga ano. Ayan. So, minix-mix na namin. Nag-aantay na lang kami sa drinks, guys.
Is that her name?
Yes.
Tacos.
Ali! Nag-convert na naman siya.
Yeah.
How much is your coffee?
My macchiato was $2.90. $2.91.
And that's a large one,
That was
right?
a large. Yeah, but the thing about it, in the United States at Starbucks or like at
Yeah,
Dunkin',
$14 per...
well, a large
14, I
macchiato is
think.
like normally like between like 5 and 8.
Oh, right,
depending on
5
where
and
you go.
8, yeah.
But this is like 2, so literally like half price. Even
Yeah,
like,
half.
maybe like even like 1/2.
But you
of a
know,
fourth.
because it's different here, babe. The cost of living is different, but you know, the salary is different here.
Yeah, I know.
And in America is way different.
Yeah.
And look, guys, they're still building this new building here. So that's American Diner 727. Malapit na.
Are we gonna eat these back? Yeah.
No, we can eat here if you want to. Yeah.
I'll have one here.
You're gonna try the donut in the Philippines.
Probably like normal.
Oh, okay na.
donuts.
Yeah. Tingnan natin yung coffee natin, guys. Tuwan-tuwa si sa tita niya. Malapit na siya kay Ana Ming. Si Ana Ming nga pala, guys, yung bunso namin. Oh. Yes. Ito na yung ano namin. Then, nandito kami sa 7-Eleven.
Look at, they got collagen water.
Ha?
Collagen water.
Collagen water. Oh, yeah. Beauty drink. I haven't tried that one yet. Yeah, they have some Korean,
Oh, that's nice.
the
They have that one
Korean,
has vitamin C
or
and zinc in it.
Chinese. Oh, Taiwanese style green tea drink. Ayun o. Yung dilaw.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
These are like health drinks. Look, these are vitamin C and zinc.
Do you want to try that?
What is? Yeah, what is it?
Tamarind. Tamarind. Yeah, tamarind.
Let's try it.
Right. Probably soury. Oh, mogu.
What's
Yan
tamarind?
dati.
What's it taste like? Tamarind.
It's soury.
Is
But
it-
I don't think
is
it's
it-
gonna be super
Is it
sour.
like a lemonade?
No, it's not lemonade. Marami silang mga bagong drinks na hindi ko alam, guys. Oh, they have pineapple here.
It's
Del
pineapple
Monte,
juice?
yes.
Yeah.
Huh? Bestseller. Dare. And these are the alcohols. Mga light alcohol. Check something for Ellie. This is tamarind, babe. Look. Monigo. I love this. It's one of my favorite, knickknacks. Magkano yan? 150 grams. Yung mga tinda nila dito, guys. Meron sila mga chips. Oh. Piatos. Ang mahal na pala ng piatos talaga. Diyos ko po, dati yung unang alis ko, nung alis ko, parang mga kalahating presyo pa lang. Hindi, wala pa nga atang 50 pesos eh. Wala pa talaga.
They have
Yeah.
chicken.
What chicken?
They have chicken for
Right here, they have some too. Parang mas mura to dito. 27 pesos. Bili siguro ako nito. Tapos bad choy. Pangkain-kain lang namin dito. Kasi nag-grocery na yung nanay ko. Bali, hindi pa na dumadating. Bibigyan ng kapatid ko. Pero baka magpunta kami sa mall mamaya. Nakakamiss talaga yung mga noodles dito sa Pinas. Baka mag-uwi talaga ako ng noodles. Ang hirap lang kasi dalhin ito sa luggage. Malaking space eh. What? Hi, baby. Hi, Ellie. Eliana. Clap, clap, clap. Can you count? Count. 1. Tinan mo. 2. Count. She's counting 1.
counting.
Yeah. 2. Good girl. Okay, guys. Mag-check out na kami. I dried mangoes. Oh, nice.
You try it.
Yes. Yes. And also, this is the different coffee that you can try.
Oh, they're like a mocha.
So this is the one we tried last night.
No, I had this one.
The white caramel. Do you like that?
Yeah. What is that? Do you want to just try?
So this is the one we tried last night.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's a brown barako.
What's this one?
So this is blanca, more creamier.
What's this?
I haven't tried that one yet.
Let's try this one.
Okay, strong. Oh, strong.
Wait, does this have 3-in-1 though? So right? Oh, this
Yeah.
is Japan.
Yeah, it is a Japanese.
let's-
Oh, Hokkaido milk. Taray, may mga iba-iba sila dito.
We'll try it.
Okay.
Do you
Are
want
you
to
good?
get
Yeah,
boiled
and
egg?
2 boiled egg. May sunscreen din. No, I think they...
Okay, come on, honey bags.
Oh, wow. Okay, mag-check out na kami, guys.
A few moments later.
Hi, guys. Nasa SM Rosario kami. Hayaan mo na. What do you want? No, Ellie. Ellie, come on.
You want to do like pre?
Oh, do you want peach for her? This is a... Oh, that's not peach. That's apple.
Yeah, those are yellow.
Ellie! Ayaw talaga mag-headband, no? Oh, there's kiwi. Medyo mahal ang kiwi dito. The kiwi are kind of expensive.
A little more than.
Yeah. And this is, I think this is apple.
Oh, we're here for another 6 or 7 days.
I think so, yeah. There's orange.
About.
Lahat talaga hawakan ni Ellie, oh. Baka butasin mo, girl. Papabayad talaga tayo sa'yo. Ellie, come on.
Alright, so we're done
Pang
with this.
cocktail.
Look how big those squash are.
Oh, yeah.
Drink.
Yeah, mag-grab kami ng drinks kasi may outing kami bukas, guys.
And then we can walk around. So we're gonna have to carry this with us now.
Yes, ito yung mga nabili namin. Ito lang yung siguro mga kailangan namin for now. Tapos magano kami ng drinks. Let's go, Ellie! Let's go! We're gonna pay now. Magbayad na tayo. No. Gusto niya talaga sa mga prutas, oh. Tama na. Hey, tama na. Tingnan mo ko saan babalik yan. Oh, no. Ellie! Doon ka sa ano, tari? Doon sa tita daddy. May namimili. Nag-hi siya. Hi daw. Hi!
See, they got 10-liter water. Look at that.
Dito talaga sa prutas, oh. Tara, mag-check out na tayo. Nakabalik na kami, guys. Hi, Ellie! Hi! Ellie! Tuntua siya kay Anami, oh. Tignan mo talaga yung headband niya. It's always... You know... Oh, no! Oh, no! Kung gusto niya na si Anami, oh.
Ellie.
Tuwan-tuwa.
She's
A milk?
even interested.
Get the milk!
Because she's playing.
Ellie, look.
Come back in here!
Ellie. Okay guys, so galing kami ng SM kanina. Ito yung mga binili namin. Itong Johnson baby powder sa kapatid ko yan. Ito yung ano niya, wipes niya. Tapos kape. Bumili kami ng gardenia. Tapos may C2, bumili si Travis. Tapos meron tayo dito. Ayan, bumili ako ng Stylix ba yan? Kasi nagpapabili sa Ate Gaily. Ito binili na kapatid ko kasi gusto papatry namin kay Travis. Tapos, bumili rin ako nito. Ito kasi yung dati kong ginagamit. Yung press powder, hindi, foundation. Ayan. Ayan yung gamit ko dati. Everbelena. Tapos, ito rin, Everbelena din. Mahilig ako sa Everbelena. Meron akong dalawa nito. So, 175 siya dito. Meron akong dalawa nito na binili ko sa Shopee noon. Tapos, nagbili lang ulit ako. Tapos, yung Stylix, sa ano ko yan? Sa kaibigan ko. So, bumili rin pala si Travis ng shade, pang shade na sa
Nagamit niya na ata. Hindi pa yata or nagamit niya na siya. Tapos, bumili kami ng mga seasoning. Ayan. Seasoning ba to? Kasi mga spices. Ayan, spices para sa mama ni Travis. Sa aking mother-in-law. Tapos yan, meron tayong mga noodles. Bili lang ako ng mga ilan. Tapos, bumili yung kapatid ko ng spam. Kape. Ito yung kape na Coffee ko Blanca. Ayan. Tapos, ito din yung brown coffee. Tapos, itong stick saka churchmate namin. Nagpapabili siya. Tapos, meron pa tayong isa pang Lucky Me. Lucky Me ba ito? Ayan, Lucky Me. So, ayan. Ito yung mga nabili namin, guys. And ngayon, mag-ano lang kami, mag-chill-chill muna kami today dahil may outing kami. May outing kami bukas. So, ayun lang ang ating vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye!